This video is all about alcohol brands from different countries. Canadian whiskey from Canada, De Cooper from Netherlands, Fireball from Canada, Coconut Toddy from Sri Lanka, Bangla from Bangladesh, Chico Herrano from Panama, Chivas Regal from Scotland, McDowell's from India, Lambango from Philippines, Grappa Mill from Uruguay, Officer Choice from India, Jagermeister from Germany, Fernet Branca from Italy, Jim Beam from United States, Ketel One from Netherlands, Havana Club from Cuba, Crown Royal from Canada, Campari from Italy, Nalevka from Poland, Mackhong from Thailand, Royal Stage from India, Sherry from Spain, Pinport Noor from New Zealand, Tiger from Vietnam, Grants from Scotland, Bourbon whiskey from United States, Captain Morgan from Jamaica, Soju from South Korea, Smirnoff from Russia, Imperia Blue from India, Ciroc from France, Baileys from Ireland, Tuica from Romania, Sumbai wine from Cambodia, Horilka from Ukraine, Tuilla from Mexico, Maiche and Dino from Venezuela, Old Monk from India, Green Mark from Russia, Old Port from Portugal, Rakia from Bulgaria, Tuak from Malaysia, Absinthe from Switzerland, Brennivin from Iceland, Absolute from Sweden, Aguardiente from Ecuador, Koskenkorva from Finland, Chacha from Georgia, Jameson from Ireland, Cardi from Cuba, Bundaberg rum from Australia, Valentine from Scotland. Siu from Indonesia. Akivit from Norway. Malbec from Argentina. Guaro from Costa Rica. Agnese from France. Richard from France. Bag Pepper from India. Ozu from Greece. Rakshi from Nepal. Tubi from Israel. Grey Goose from France. Kingfisher from India. Catuaba from Brazil. Pisco from Peru. Sake from Japan. Maris from Pakistan. Vodka from Russia. Malibu from West Indies. For more videos, subscribe this channel. Also like this video.